tutorial with CliffwalkerX. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is show you how to select an image out of an image, or select a portion of an image. Okay, so we're going to use a real simple program here, Paint. Go to your Windows, use the Windows key. We're going to type in Paint. It comes with everything. There's Paint 3D or Paint. We're just going to use Paint. Very simple. Now, I'm going to pull up an image of Jesus. We're going to cut that out. So here we go. I think this will be simple. Let me see if we can just drag and drop here. So I'm going to drag and drop the image. So we can. Awesome. All right. All right. Full screen. So what we're going to do here is go to the select tool. We're going to select the freeform tool. This is not included in all image software. Let's go ahead and zoom in. That'll make it easier. Oh, too much. There we go. So I'm going to just select it real quick. You always want to use the freeform tool. I call it free select. Okay. Make sure you connect here. Boom. All right. So we're going to cut. Cut is Control X. All right. So we're going to get rid of this. Do a new one. No save. Here we go. Paste. Okay. Let's go ahead and zoom back in. Control V is paste. I like GIMP. That's what I normally use because I can use my short keys, plus and minus. Here, not so much. Okay. Let's go back to the select tool. Where are we? So, all right. So we want to get rid of this. So we're going to zoom in basically if you want to go around something more detailed. The plus and minus key doesn't work because this is a basic program. Zoom in. All right. We do a little bit of a time here. Make sure we got the right select tool. We want to use freeform. Select freeform again. Okay. So you gotta just go slow with it and do some portions at a time here. All right, hit delete, and see, just little by little you cut out things. Make sure when you get done, you save this as a JPEG. Now, if you save it as JPEG, we're gonna save the white background. We can save it as a PNG. If you save it as a PNG, it is going to be a photo that has no background. In other words, you're just going to be saving the actual image that you cut out so that you can put it on whatever you want. Make sense? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. CliffwalkerX. You can catch me on Facebook, CliffwalkerX, or on my email. Okay. Very good, guys. I will say on my email, Facebook, or YouTube. Okay. PM me as private message. All right. Thank y'all. Take care. Be safe out there. It's a jungle. Friends, family, and those seeking truth. One more thing before we go. Thank you so much for watching this video, first and foremost. Check out my other ones on my channel. But also, there is an awesome guy that's worth knowing. His name is Jesus Christ, the Son of God. He came to earth to save everybody from their sins. Everybody makes mistakes. If you want a peace, if you feel like something's missing from your life, seek him out. Let me know. Somebody. Get your Bible and check it out. It is just, I cannot begin to explain the peace and knowledge and just to help in times of trouble when there's nobody there. Say a prayer and invite him into your heart today. Thank you, everybody, for watching. It's jungle out there. Be careful, huh? This is CliffwalkerX.